Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can help your pets gain even more XPs in Grow a Garden so that they can level up their age. Besides giving them food, you can also get a pet that gives XPs, I guess. So as you can see right now, I have a mochi mouse. If I go and view that, it says all active food type pets gain an additional 1.15 XPs, and every 9.41 minutes it gains an additional 521.24 bonus XPs. So this mochi mouse will help your pets gain XP and level up their age, especially if they are a food type pet. So right now I also have the aromatic sushi bear. It is a food type pet, and the pancake mole is also a food type pet. It gives even more XPs to those kinds of pets and still gives XPs to my junk bot. So yeah, that is how you can level up your XPs even more, by using the special pet. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.